What would be the minimum set of metrics for an amateur racer to record to be successful and improve their HPA performance? Yeah, so I would say the absolute bare minimum is have a way of measuring speed and have a way of measuring acceleration, so lateral and longitudinal accelerations. Even with those 3 channels, you can do a huge amount of information just with those. And really, you can probably spend seasons just getting the most out of those basic log channels. And I really would encourage most people to really start with those basics before you start adding a lot of complexity. Every time you add complexity, not only adds cost, but it usually adds overhead to your analysis process as well. So I would say speed and lateral and longitudinal acceleration are absolutely the ones I would be getting started with. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and want to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about how to log and understand data and how to use that data to improve your performance and consistency on track. Plus, you'll have the chance to ask your own questions, which we'll be answering live.